Today we have Stanley, our pilot, and we're going to get Stanley's views on this training. Stanley?
This training has been nothing but lucrative for everyone in the team and also myself. It's very informative, hands-on, and very practical. Also, Kim Baldwin, who is a spectacular instructor and teacher and lecturer, she has taken the time to teach us the necessary skills that is needed in cases of emergencies with this training program, which is the drone training program.
What is your ultimate goal for this after you have had this training?
Well, the ultimate goal of every Caribbean country should be food security and stability. So I will see how I can use this drone application in order to improve food security and food stability with regarding to the livestock sector. So, for example, can use the drone technology to map areas that have pasture development. Also, we can use the drone technology to map areas where we have wild animals. We have a situation down in Beaufort with some wild communal pasture cows. We can use that in tranquilizing exercises, etc. So overall, this training has been nothing but lucrative and very, very, very exciting.